na kukuzea kwa mbitoka, so just speak for yourself and just
kukuzea kwa mbitoka. In English we can say
yes,
the one who is chasing you does not tell you go.
Ramu.
Yeah, now taking my lunch. After I've now gone to the city, I feel so happy. I'm with my friends. Can you say hi?
hello.
The
This
journey
is my
still
family.
on.
And this is going down.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
You got tight.
You can see him from afar.
Let me ask you a question. You got tight. How cheap?
How cheap? Check that. How cheap?
很中国的菜很好吃。
对，我喜欢吃米饭。
我问你，
要炒饭 fried rice.
这个辣。
我问你们一下，你们喜欢中国菜吗？
不喜欢，但是不是我有的喜欢，有的我觉得在一个习惯，
还没习惯。
我们还没习惯，但是我觉得习惯一直都习惯。
Rami, can you say your part? 你喜欢中国菜吗？
我喜欢中国菜，
Guys, we are still on the journey. The journey is still going on. We are still in Kenyan city. We are just exploring the city so that we can get to show you new things. African pictures. We love you, our fans.
Love you guys. Support our channel. All love you, man.
Subscribe.
I want you to use chopstick. Monali, can you use chopstick?
No, that's even why they gave me this. I don't like.
But you are in China. They use chopstick.
Maybe let me just use it.
Can you tell them how you use chopstick in China?
If I use joystick, I'm not going to be successful. So I like using this one. And I'm an African and I live in Africa.
Even open the chopsticks.
These are the chopsticks.
This guy is trying to use the joystick but cannot manage. That's why his food is
Because if he was using spoon, it could have been the first one to finish his food.
now just pushing himself, just using that.
But I hope guys you are happy through this journey of Can you talk with our fans?
No, we are sharing our experience with you. Like for now, you can see the food. I've realized that this food, as compared to where you know we are from Europe, but so we have gone to many hotels to find this kind of food. Fried rice, chaufan. Here they say that they usually eat mian tiao. Mian tiao, that's noodles. So the common food is noodles. So that's why
Yeah, in our city we are used to mi fan.
Lami.
Mi fan and mixed with fried meat. It's called Niroda Jafan. So if it is eggs that is fried and mixed with rice, they call them Jida Jifan. So we are used to Jida Jifan and Niroda Jifan. But in this place, we have just come to find that their food is very different, totally different from the one we are used to. The one, which how you call that food?
this one.
Yeah, the one that these guys are doing.
Mian tiao.
Mian tiao is just noodles.
And I don't like
Noodles, I cannot guess as
noodles. Our fans, I hope you are wondering what they are saying. They are speaking in Chinese.
They use flour. They use flour. There are some issues that they use clothes. So for me, I think that it's not even best. Better than yeah.
But I hope you are.
So my fam, even this one that we are just eating is because of our respect, you know. They just went and searched for rice and eggs to just try for African kings, you know. Just through our respect, they have done this one. If it's a Chinese, they could have not cooked it for them.
In fact, they sent someone to pick us. They don't have a thing. They sent him to call the owner of this place to come and pick us from the So he came to pick us all the way us, so we were escorting him like bodyguards. I think she was really excited. She was actually a lady.
Yeah, we're just enjoying our meals. And after all, we're going to now continue with our journey, just showing you good things.
We have a drink here.
This kala.
Yeah.
We're just calling them kala.
Baishikala in Chinese. So guys, have experience together. We love you all. With me here, I have some Chinese people. They are also taking food. Yeah. They are also taking. We have some children here.
See how this kid is just jumping here.
Yeah. Let's enjoy the food together with our fans.
Guys are wondering where we are not from.
Oh.
This one for
We're not from Jengo, man. Don't worry how this African king looks like now. Maybe you may wonder if I went to China to look Jengo, but no. Don't worry. You know I'm a student. I'm not working. I told you the other video. If you can remember, I'm not working, you know. So I'm just an African king, just going around the city and doing videos. So today I have just decided to put this one, you know. It's just for a bike. And because it was raining, that's why I'm blaming it.
And also for safety.
Yeah, for safety, exactly.
Wow.
Yeah, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to the please subscribe. Follow us. Because there are some people who are watching and they are not subscribed to our channel. If you have any idea, maybe you can suggest for us something which you want to see about China. I know there are a lot of things that people hear about China. Can ask us, can converse and learn. You know, it's a process of learning. You don't know everything, so it's also good. But you have the best content, that I assure you. Yeah.
Dad, can you tell our fans what we are now thinking of doing next after this meal? No, they are expecting something good from us.
So you have seen the actually a museum around here, so we want to go and see how. You remember last time we went to another museum, it was Nanjing Museum. So there is another museum which you have been told it's around here, it's called the Museum. So we want to go and visit that place just with our bikes. Today we are cyclists today. So we want to see how the museum looks like, what you can find inside there. Once we are seeing the history of China. Yeah, so today we will take you there. Please follow our videos up to the end of the video which we will produce. Yeah, you will really enjoy it, and that I promise you.
Yeah, so maybe our fans may think that we are going again to see the same things that we saw last time. No, we're going to show you different ones. I told you last time, China is very different. People of China are not, the people of Nanjing are not the same with the people of Xinjiang. The kind of things that we saw there at Nanjing, they are very different with the ones we are going to show you today.
The people here are very
Xinjiang.
I've liked this
Keep
place.
watching.
If there's a place in China I would like to come and stay here.
Yes.
Actually, this is the best place which I've come across. The people are so friendly, you know. It's not like other cities, you know. In other cities, people don't care, they don't take a shit about you. They just ignore you. But here, people are friendly. Somebody can just come and talk to you. And
They know that you are a village boy and they welcome you with a very good, warm welcome. You know. They just appreciate me until I feel so much happy. Yesterday I slept in a very good, today, whereby I was welcomed by a very nice lady. And I really love ladies who are no, there's something worse if you get a lady who is very tapo. Really surprising. You know, but I really like the ladies here. They are very friendly. Also, they want to serve you food and they want to give you a place to sleep. And just live comfortably and I just eat well. That's why you see my episode. So good, African king. Drop a comment, man. Don't just leave me out like that. Yeah.
So actually, yeah, we have an experience. Actually, there is a time we went to another city. I don't know if I'm going to mention the name. We really struggled. We went to a city. We were looking for a place to stay, but all the places which we were going, we just you know, when they see you, you can see. So they just you know, from the reaction how they look, you know, from the time you go and approach them, you see how they react to you. They just the facial reaction. Yeah. So you know, here you're not. So we went there. Then you know, they gave us a cold reservation. So we just have they kept sending us from here. Just they tell you go to this place, they will accommodate you. For here we don't accommodate foreigners. So we go to another place, they again tell you go to that place which you have. So we saw that, you know, hakukuzaa kwa mbitoka. So we just look for ourselves and just
Kuzaa kwa mbitoka in English we can say
yes.
The one who is chasing you does not tell you go. Exactly. I don't know what guys you think about what I say. If you just, I want to see in the comment section. Just comment and is my English correct? Just say something.
Yeah. So actually, yeah, you just the welcome is very they welcome you warmly. So you know they can ask you. Well, you know, if you have any problem, you can actually share with, you know, actually there's a place we went there, even started giving us, you know, drinks, you know, at least water. Then they just want to know about you, they want to talk to you, they want to see how, they want to know how, where you come from, how it is so good. You know, it's some, I may say that they are a bit fair, you know, but for the Chinese, you know, maybe most of them just want to know, maybe, you know, if you have ever been to China, you realize that most Chinese people just for the friendship they create for it, just they want it to be beneficial. When they see that you have no other value, they just leave you.
Ignore it.
Yeah, but no, but some people are actually good. They have good intentions. So I don't say that all are bad. But China is a good place, and there is the city are beautiful. Yeah, and we are really enjoying to see the beautiful view of the city.
And if you are friends with Chinese people, you have this. And if you have a bad, you have this, man. If you have this, and then you have this.
Yeah.
Only those two can make it to their friends.
Okay guys, I hope now you have heard from my friends. Continue following Africana Pictures. We are in this city for some days so that we can get to bring you something new. Suggest the city that you want us to travel. We have a lot to show you. We have a lot of cities to adventure so that we can show you different things and get you running each and every day. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Africana Pictures.